I'm in a trade. This is how it looks. I'm gonna give you a breakdown as to why I took this trade right now, like while it going on. I can try to keep a composure. We barely close above this high and these highs right here, as you can see with this price action. So price had a willingness to push lower until it took this low right here, but not this low, which was where I actually had my buy limit placed at. The reason I'm trying something like this is because I don't want to have any type of what the fudge? When was this closed? I can't remember closing these trades, so it's weird, and I don't remember putting a take profit for either of them either. So it's like this equity just give you this false hope and something to hang on to, something to be emotional about. But if I don't see it, then I don't know it. So okay, all right. So thank God I actually found this and could clarify it while on the video. And this is a very good way to bring it in then. They did say it on the platform here. Alright, and we're back. It's a new day, Friday, the day after yesterday, the 11th of October. And I honestly can't recall if I gave you guys the update saying I saw a trade opportunity, which was a buy limit that I placed. Price came this close to our buy limit, but didn't actually tag us into the trade. I was actually looking for a move to, you know, around these levels. Price came there, went straight for TP, and then, you know, did what it had to do. However, I didn't send any, well, I sent it out to the community, but we didn't actually open any live positions yesterday, so no trades. For this entire week, I've only taken one trade. Wow. One. That was on Wednesday. It was a profitable trade, but I closed a little bit early, and then the price came down beyond my stop loss and then went for where I was initially aiming for. But I'm still grateful. I'm still very happy actually. Even though I didn't place any trades, I'm glad that I have the capital to place trades, you know. I survived to trade another day, so that should be the goal for every trader. I can't stress it enough how important it is to just take high probability setups, work on showing up and not trading. You know, it has helped. Just show up to the market. I am a bit, I want to say, disappointed that I still didn't get to shoot a full video and record, you know, talk to you guys, have a little one-on-one, you know, yeah, bye. But we're here now and we're continuing yesterday's video. I won't end the video because it's short as fudge, so I'll just make today's video a continuation of yesterday's video, so you're gonna have one full video. And I'll probably make a video over the weekend where we just, you know, have a chat, we discuss certain things that I've learned, certain things that help me, you know, meet to the point where I am. If that might be something that could help you or somebody you know that's in trading or whatever the case is, then yeah, you might want to stick around for that chat, as I'm gonna be ranting, I'm gonna be going in deep, I'm gonna be touching on things that people don't want to touch, pause, no diddy, and we're gonna get down to the core things that make me a profitable trader. And trading from the Caribbean, I guess. You know, we're still with SiegFund. The account is still at $161 in profit or gains. So yeah, we're still up on this account and still being patient, still taking it day by day, only high probability setups. Oh, I now have a referral link to SiegFund. So for the persons who wanted to check it out and support the channel, or you know, you just wanted my special code so you can have a little discount when you're signing up, then you can go ahead and click the link. It'll be the first link in the description. But yeah, just wanted to open the camera and give you guys that update on yesterday's trade and where we are today. I don't see any opportunities as yet, but it's not 9:30 as yet. You know my strategy. If it's before 9:30, then I don't touch it. So we're gonna wait. I'm currently editing a video to probably the most recent video that you saw, so I'm gonna go back to editing that so I can get that uploaded to you guys and we can keep the ball rolling, because consistency is key in everything you do. Trading, business, any content creation, consistency is key. But I'm gonna open back the camera in a couple of minutes and check back in with you guys once we have that trade. Great, and we're back. Trying to do so and trying to, you know, give it a little switch. I ain't switching it up, but just giving it a little switch. I'm in a trade. This is how it looks. I'm gonna give you a breakdown as to why I took this trade right now, like while it going on. I can try to keep a composure, but hold on, let me just journal and just still editing as well, so if what's going on with my use of the English language. If you are a regular watcher of the videos, you would know that once I am editing, the computer loves to be a bitch. So yeah. Alright, so going back over here, let's start on the larger time frame. Actually, I think I should give y'all a breakdown of this trade like once it's done, because while the price is fluctuating, my thought's not gonna be able to flow the way I want it to. But hey, let's give it a shot. So there's not much to go off of the 4-hour or the daily for this trade. It's not so long term, but it still is using the overall direction of price and momentum. So we're bullish here on NAS. And we had, I would say, a push above these highs right here. It's not so much important, but we barely close above these highs, right? Not these highs. We barely close above this high and these highs right here, as you can see with this price action. So price had a willingness to push lower until it took this low right here, but not this low, which was where I actually had my buy limit placed at. It's possible that price still pushes down, then takes that low, then makes a push to the upside, but I can't bank on it. Where price is right now is what I have to go on. I can't, look at what price could potentially do and not pay attention to what price is doing right now. You have to consider both. So I saw that price took lows. It's that time of the day where I start looking for manipulation, and I saw this push to the downside from since actually last night. We came all the way down and we didn't actually take this high that was formed after we took liquidity yesterday. So this is kind of, it's a lower high, not really an intermediate high, because we didn't take any lows even though we fulfilled this gap, and we don't have a lower high to the right and left of it, so I don't think it qualifies as an intermediate high. But I still think it's a very important high, because this high was still the one that was farmed, like it's the highest point that was farmed before this low here was broken. This low was farmed before all the previous liquidity was broken to the upside. So it's an important high, and this is an important low. So let's just mark up these two areas right here, and this high right here. So I noticed that this low was broken with this price action this morning, and we had a small false push to the upside where it failed to even break this high, which was the high that was formed before this low here initially was broken. This is just the highest point. This is also a very important high, and I'm watching price as we approach this area. But generally, I wanted to see an impulsive close above any of these areas of interest, like an impulsive push and close. Preferably if this impulsive push and close was after manipulation, something like what happened right here. We did have an impulsive move in the bearish direction, but then we had momentum not really on the side, volume not really on that side, because we had a large bearish candle, not that much bearish volume, and then we had a whole lot of bearish volume but a very tiny body and large wick bearish candle, and more so at an area of support. So these factors and also the higher time frame outlook is what made me enter this trade. It's not your usual accumulation, manipulation, distribution. It's not your usual liquidity sweep, then impulsive move in the opposite direction. It's a combination of everything, including the volumes. I was doing some research last night, and I don't know if anyone watches the videos knows about the wick off or wick off method, but it's similar to ICT, and it incorporates the use of volume a lot more, and it's basically the exact same style I've been using to trade. I didn't know there was already a strategy on it. I thought, I just put my head together and thing. But at the same time, I was still happy to see that I just do a little combo and create my own strategy or approach based off of everybody else's own, of course. But there's still professional traders who were thinking along these same lines way before me. So I just come in and thinking along their lines, right? But it's still good to know that at least my mind might be in the right place. But yeah, we're in this one. I should be able to pull up the MT5 desktop terminal so you guys could see how much profit. I reduce risk on this trade, of course, because the stop would be all this risk I would have to take on, and yeah, I'm not too comfortable taking on all this risk with my normal lot size. So instead of a 0.05 lot trade, I only opened a 0.02, because if you look at like the trades that I've been taking on this account, it's, you know, the risk is not that large. It's less than 60 pips at most, but this one is almost 100 pips. So just wanted to be cautious and preserve capital in the event this trade goes against us or went against us. So yeah, why is this terminal taking fair? I mean, I know I taking fair load, but I just got hacked. But yeah, we up $15, way less than I thought it would, to be honest. I didn't even, oh, what's going on there? Why is my, okay, this is a buy limit that was all the way at the bottom here, and its take profit is up there. And this current trade has no take profit, and come think about it, also has no stop loss. Okay, so I'm risking $40 to gain, let's say, at the very least 4 to 5, 1-to-1, a little bit over 1-to-1. So yeah, comfortable risking 40 to gain 4 to 5 at the least. I would like to aim for the 1-to-2 at $80. That would be at 2430.9. Let's see if we can get there. The price action looks pretty bullish, pretty strong. The volume is also supporting this bullish price action in the candles, so it's just a matter of waiting now and see how this plays out. But yeah, we're in this one. I also sent it out to the community, so we're all in this one. We're all in on reduced risk, but we're in nevertheless. So I'm gonna come back in a couple of minutes and give you guys that update once this play out, because your buy got eat. So check in with y'all now. And we're back a couple hours later into the same day. It's still Friday, and yeah, we're in profit. We're still in this trade, actually 2 trades, because I sent out one position up here at 2660, and I also got in once we had this retracement back on the 5-minute at 2240. So I have 2 positions. Now, something I want to tell you, I have honestly not checked the charts, or actually I've checked Trading View, right? So I know where we were and where we are. But throughout the entire time from since I last opened the camera at like, it was like, what, 10 something or 9 something this morning to now, I have not checked MT5. Now we're going to open it and check it the first time with y'all. The reason I'm trying something like this is because I don't want to have any type of, what the fudge? When was this closed? I can't remember closing these trades, so it's weird, and I don't remember putting a take profit for either of them either. So alright, I'm pretty glad that we all, you see here we have no take profit. You see there's absolutely no take profit set for these 3 trades that just close off. I ain't really understand why. Maybe it's because the time of the day or something. I would have to confirm. I'll go through the prop firm rules and stuff, so on, so we could all see if they stated that beforehand, and I just didn't go through that, so I am shocked right now, and maybe I couldn't hold trades over the weekend or something. I don't know. Anyways, this is the situation. I was planning on holding it over the weekend, but since I'm out of the trade, and I'm very glad that I said that before actually opening MetaTrader on the desktop, but I didn't open it on my phone either, so I don't understand why the trade closed automatically. We're in profit. The trade idea played out not exactly the way that I thought it would, but no trade ever plays out the way you thought it would. As long as you're in it from point A to point B, that's good enough. I think I would start doing this a lot more when it comes to the trades that I take, because mentally I had no pressure of like I'm up at this point, and then I have to suffer the like mental pressure of knowing how much dollar amount I was up and how much I would be losing or risking not having added to my balance. You know, once I see that equity, it's like this equity just give you this false hope and something to hang on to, something to be emotional about. But if I don't see it, then I don't know it. So you gotta trick your mind if you're mining, taking, listening. So hey, as it is, I said I would open the camera and talk to y'all over the weekend, so I'm definitely gonna do that either tomorrow or Sunday, so we can keep everything consistent. But yeah, this is the situation right now. It was a good trade, nevertheless, that it closed without me knowing. It's just fortunate for us that it closed without me knowing at a point where it was really high in profit, probably just before it even, I ain't gonna call it for myself, that's a reverse, because members of the community still have this trade open, and I still have this trade open on my personal account. I would like to assume, let me just confirm that with y'all before saying that, and then on my personal account it closed for some magical reason as well. Okay, yeah, I'm up on my personal account. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, the trade's still open on my live account. Not that much in profit because it was reduced risk, like I said, but I think I'm gonna close it on the personal as well because hey, I ain't holding weekend trades on this, man. I'm gonna just take that W and call it that for the week. So I guess it's really not the way I thought this video would have went. Like I thought we would get to fully break down what's going on, but terribly sorry for the noise with the dog in the background. But regardless, it was a positive week. This week actually ended far better than I thought it would. We took 2 trades for this week and it was like really well. But let's see what next week has to offer. Like I should be talking more about this prop firm as well. Actually, I'm gonna run through it before I end this video just to confirm that they did say no holding trades over the weekend, because if not, then I would need like some type of explanation as to why the trade closed automatically, so you guys could also be more well informed should you decide to open an account with them and, you know, start trading. Oh, by the way, I have an affiliate link now with them, so if you're interested and you would like to support, I think I told you already, but you would like to support the channel, then, you know, first link in the description, you can go ahead and support your boy. Okay, all right, so thank God I actually found this and could clarify it while on the video, and this is a very good way to bring it in. Then they did say it on the platform here. Furthermore, in accordance with the no holding trades over the weekend policy, all open trades are closed at 3:45 p.m. EST on Fridays. So that was 3:45 indeed. That was 3:57. I didn't know. Now you know. Hopefully this you know, serves or benefits those who are thinking about creating an account with them. I just thought that maybe I would get to report a flaw, because so far this prop firm has been, you know, flawless, which is good. But you know, you always gotta be cautious when a little too good to be true. And I thought I had something on them. I thought, yeah, they did close a trade and y'all see me open this and I tell y'all I didn't open MT5, but no, they have it on the website, so that's good. They're, you know, letting you know things up front so you know what to expect, and I have no problem with that. Honestly, I have no problem with closing my trades before 4 on Fridays, because I don't even like holding trades in the afternoon on Friday unless I'm really up in profit. So yeah, that knocks that piece of doubt out to the water, and price is looking like it wants to reverse and come to the downside. So like, it's a good thing the people close the trade for me. Look me complaining, the people do me a good. But regardless, we're still in this one. The members of the community might still have this in. I am going to update them right now and, you know, let them know that I am exiting all my personal positions as well, and that the broker that I'm using also closed the trade early on me. That's not something that I did intentionally. It's now I finding out same time as y'all and everybody else. So yeah, the day didn't go as planned. The day didn't go as I thought it could have been, but I'm still very grateful. Could do a couple more days like these, to be honest, like where it just doesn't go as planned but still goes well. And yeah, I think I'll call that the end of the video for right now. If you've made it this far, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Bye, have a great time.